What is up, guys? Back with another video. Welcome to Daily Driven Porsche. I'm just a dad of 4 trying to figure out how to get to financial freedom. I'm trying to figure out how to get more money coming in than I have going out through passive income, whether it's dividend investing, real estate investing, whatever you're into, that's what I'm chasing. Well, I'm not chasing whatever you're into, but you get what I'm saying. Anything that produces passive income, I'm in it. That's why I'm on YouTube. I've got the I don't sell anything, but I have the ad monetization turned on. So right now we're about $550 a month from the YouTube videos. So it's a little bit of passive income. You know, if you look at it, it's like $5,500 a year. You divide that by a 4% yield. Let's say it's invested in SCHD or something. You're talking, that's equivalent to having $200,000 invested. And the channel's called Daily Driven Porsche because I like cars, and this is a 2020 Carrera S with Soul Performance exhaust, no cats, headers, and a stage 2 tune. We're currently at $60,000 a year with dividend income, mainly in SCHD. I have a couple single stocks that help boost the yield a little bit, which are Pfizer, UPS, Cal-Maine Foods, Western Union. I know Western Union people roll their eyes because they're like, dude, that's a dying company, but it's undervalued. It is undervalued even if it's dying. What else do I have in there? I think that's about it. Oh, and Target stock. It's 6:30 a.m. on a Saturday morning. This complex in here was for sale. It was $5.5 million. It's a lot of units. I think it's 25 different units. It's sold, but a lot of the businesses back here had a hard time keeping a lot of having traffic come back here because it was kind of off the road. But this is a sleeper complex because you know why? They're building a massive condominium complex back here, right over here. And I think it has, I can't remember how many units it has, but it has a lot of units. This land goes deep, real deep back there. I don't know if you can see it. But they're gonna have built-in customers. My buddy owns the haircut barbershop that's in that complex, and I told him, I was like, dude, I'm telling you, once this thing's built, you're locked in. You're gonna have built-in customers walking over here, getting their haircut. This is a Trader Joe's. Shout out to Trader Joe's. Their business is probably gonna double. All these people are gonna be walking over there and shopping at Trader Joe's. This guy's bagel shop's gonna be killing it. He'll be killing it probably. They'll be coming over here getting bagels. I looked at that place too. I didn't have the money. Actually, I did. Oh, I forgot about this. I can't go out here. The light's green. I got to back up. There's no one behind me. I got to get out of this spot. I can't go out this way. The drop off is like way too steep. This thing's lowered, and the front lip will scrape. It'll crack the front lip off. It's such a steep incline. Where's everybody watching from? Leave some comments. Let me know where you guys are, what country you're in, and if you're in the US, what state are you guys in? I originally grew up in Maryland. I grew up in Baltimore, but we live in Florida now. My car's a little dusty. I need to wash this thing. It's pretty dirty. What's up, guys? I'm back on the streets. I'm in the 911. This time I'm on the highway. We're parked. What's up, guys? I'm back on the streets. This is a brand new me. I told you about this. 10,000 steps a day is the minimum. That's the baseline. Kind of like the Roth IRA, maxing out the Roth IRA. It's just the foundation. Then I'm gonna try to do other stuff too. But my wife and I are walking. We're about to walk somewhere, get coffee or something. It's like a tunnel. So I deleted that step app that I had, and I downloaded this other one. It just says pedometer or whatever, however you say it. But I'm at 5,260 some steps. Trying to get 10,000 as the minimum. Guys, day 2 of working out and eating good. I'm not touching any of this. I'm getting a water, I'm getting some steak, and I might get a coffee. Guys, I got steak and shrimp. She got deviled eggs, sushi, and we got a little bit of cheese and iced coffee.
No desserts.
All right, guys, I'm back in the 911. It is Saturday night, cruising. I need to go get gas, though. I have no gas. So right now, I'm trying to hold myself accountable with 1, dividend investing, trying to keep increasing my cash flow. And then 2 is the fitness and food. And right now, dude, I've got that dialed in. So today I put a step counter on my phone because I don't have the watch. I just wanted to get going. I didn't want to go get the watch and everything. So I got the step counter on my phone, and I've already done 10,000 steps today. That's going to be my minimum. Like, I have to do 10,000. And then, you know, there's normal days like I used to go to the gym 5 days a week. But that's the thing. That's why I want to do this, is that I went to the gym 5 days a week for 30 years, and I'm not in horrible shape, but it's like I'm still not what you would think you would be if you went to the gym 5 days a week for 20 years, you know, because it's 80% food. Like my wife says, abs are made in the kitchen. So this channel really, for me, started off as kind of an experiment. I'm just filming with my cell phone, I'm driving around, and I was like, can I make a YouTube channel? I've always wanted to be able to make a YouTube channel, you know? Because I see people making YouTube channels, and I always saw it as a stream of, like, another income stream, like passive income. So I've always wanted to have some type of, I wanted to try to do it, you know? So now we're up to $700, almost $700 a month from the passive income from YouTube. It's not passive, though. I mean, you got to keep making the videos. It's so nice outside tonight. It's 87 degrees, but it just feels nice out. The sunset's going down right now over the Gulf. I'm on an island. I'm heading to get gas. Love the sound of turbos. My phone died. But what I was saying was, I've always wanted a YouTube channel because I looked at it as like, I could create a video, for example, and then the video can sit there on the channel and collect views over time. And if I'm getting paid for the amount of views on the video, you know, it's kind of like you're creating something that can snowball over time. But I think with the algorithm, I think if you stop posting, it seems like a lot of the older videos slow down too. I don't know. But in theory, that's why I thought, man, YouTube seems like it could be a really cool thing to do on the side. Try to create an extra stream of passive income. It's not really truly passive, but you get what I'm saying. But now I'm actually using this channel to keep myself motivated, and you guys hold me accountable. Because when I come on here and I say, oh, I want to get to 60,000 a year in dividend income, I want to actually do it. I don't want to show you guys that, oh, I quit, I stopped investing, and now when I'm saying I'm going to try to get, I'm 200 and I'm in like the 230s now with my weight. I want to get to like 200, right around 200. See, even my speech, I'm going to get to 200. I want to see what my body's like at 200. We're going to get things dialed back in, baby. And then if people are watching the channel, maybe I can inspire you to say like, yeah, dude, let's do it. If you guys want to do it too, throw your weight up in the comments. Your starting weight. Throw your starting weight up in the comments. I need to weigh myself in the morning, fasted. And I am not starving myself. And I'm not, I know a lot of people do intermittent fasting. I have a hard time doing it with the 4 kids, dude. So the past 2 days, I'm not starving myself at all, and I feel great. I'm eating I've been eating steak and eggs, cheese. Before I went and played basketball, I had a bagel with a little bit of peanut butter on it, just like half a bagel. So I'm going to try not to eat a lot of carbohydrates unless I'm about to go do a physical activity or I'm about to go to the gym or something. But I'm just trying to keep my protein around like my goal weight, like probably 200 grams or more protein a day, and try to keep my calories below maintenance calories. And I'm going to try to do my 10,000 steps and hit the gym like I was, and we'll see what happens. If you guys really saw how I was eating at night, if I do this, I will lose weight quick because my body's kind of weird. I do lose weight quick when I stick to it. I just never stick to it. If you guys saw, I was eating like Belvita cookies at night, 2 packs of them, killing like 3 glasses of milk. I'm exaggerating, but you get what I'm saying. I was not dialed in at all. Standing at the counter eating out of a bag of pretzels with slices of cheese. Not even counting. Just, you know what I mean? I'm like, I don't even know how many. I kill half a pack of cheese. Some of you guys are doing it too. Killing the whole rack of Oreos. You know you are. You know we were killing that whole rack. The whole rack of Oreos. The whole entire thing. The kids are like, where's the Oreos? But I appreciate you guys watching the channel. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. What's up, guys? It's the next day. You guys want to see something wild? Remember I said 222 is like my angel number? Well, it was 222.2, but now I'm holding the cell phone. So it's 222.6.
Alright. This is light work. Come on, spill the tea, yeah. Ooh. Alright. This is light work.